So boom! Ichiboy is back at it again, man, with another vlog. Yeah, vlog na punta karon, guys. So today I'm here with my own setup, you know. So di na kaya na bongga tong setup, guys, kay, you know. But maybe soon, you know. That's the goal, you know what I'm saying? So today's vlog, guys, is mag-unbox na, no? Unbox na uguan, guys. Kaniyo? Kana. Yes, kana to yan unbox, guys. So bago pa siya nabot, actually kaganina pa lang ba nabot, no? So yeah, I'm so hyped, guys. Nara dre. Taro. Wow! Oh, diba? Kana to i-unbox, guys. But before na to na i-unbox, guys, kibo na mo sunod, no? You know that real.
From Purok 20 Valencia City, muscle hard, no regrets. Weigh over 240 pounds, El Ite! And his opponent, Gemeng chair.
Tang in a mobo bokagago. Areko gago.
Another code breaker. Oh, boy. No! Thumbtacks all over Jericho. Referee, get him out of it. Referee, get him out of it.
It's a new game. Is it a new game? Or is this the same Triple H that ran roughshod over every...
Okay, guys, so muna tanong ko, gitest rin na to, guys. Jump box ba kayo? So yeah, let's proceed our unboxing, guys. Kinapoy ako, man. So eto. What? Mukhang na-scam tayo muna. Oh. Ay, nag-scam it. Boom! It's a prank! Laro bitaw, guys, sa tinood lang nara itong gaming chair, guys, oh. Kita niyo? 1, 2, 3. Diba? Chanda, guys, very comfy. Very comfy guys, oh, as you can see, diba? Diba? Super comfortable guys, I promise. Oh, yung head, mga conveg ka. Mutuyo pag yun siya, guys, diba? Oh? You can 360 turn around, guys, itong ultimate gaming chair, ba, diba? So, oh? Grabe ka, nice, diba? Oh? Very comfortable, guys. So, mo itong gaming chair, guys, no?
So boom!
Just kidding, guys. So, di pa dito mao ang ato ang gaming chair, guys. Nagtuo mo ba, no? Ayos, pakita sa natong setup diyan, atong streaming setup diyan, no? So, I have a dual monitor. 60 Hz nga lang, pero it's okay, you know? Di man pud competitive games atong ginadula, so which is fine, di ba? So, yeah, that's my rig over there. Ako mga box there, ginakip ginaw mga box. Ginakip ginaw mga box.
Tang in a mobo bokagogo.
No, di ba keeper beta, di ba? Shout out sa keeper dia sa bro.
Ha 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 karma mo yen gago.
Pre na ako nga keeper, di ba? Yeah, sana all, di ba? So anyway, naro atong gaming chair guys, oh. Atong ultimate transition, di ba? Di ba? So, tara, pakita ako. Okay guys, so from that gaming chair, ultimate gaming chair guys, muna ako ang na gaming chair for almost a year, you know what I'm saying? So from that to this. Oh! Pirti ba? Oh, bro. Grabe ba? Grabe siya rin nakapuli ba? Linti. Pirti ba? Mo niya itong cameraman guys. Shout out to cameraman, no? So, gipulihan na largo, boys. Grabe ang gaming experience there, boys, no? What in the world, man? Oh, diba, kayo magbuntage na.
You are my honey bun sugar plum yum.
So boom! Mura to guys ang atong reviews atong ultimate gaming chair. Ultimate. Or we call it my first ever gaming chair, man. My entire life, you know. So yeah, that's him, man. Yeah, that's him. Kita natin, no? Took me for almost 2 weeks. Just 2 weeks, guys, no? So overall, the quality is good, very comfortable, and so on and so forth, guys. So 5 for me, man. Diba? So I think more to guys. Salamat sa sa pagtanaw ug pag-tune diri sa tuang atong vlog, man. So good na tag vlog, no? Gikapoy ko wrestling. Okay, so 2021 will be a different, guys. So balik na tag vlog, balik na tag streaming. And yeah, let's do this together, guys. Di inaw ni makuha, guys, kung wala mo, guys. Thank you so much for watching and for supporting me. Salamat sa mga nag-motivate ako, guys, nga padayon sa inani nga mabutang na daw impossible yun kayo, but still, you know, strive hard, guys, and be positive. Perme lang yun. So thank you so much for watching, guys. See you guys for the next vlog or next live stream. fb.gg/ebenblabla or youtube.com/ebenblabla, guys. And yeah, and also follow me on IG. Have mo ko IG, guys, ebenblabla yapon. I think mauro to, guys, no? So ato ra yan atong vlog ron. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And yeah, that's my gaming chair, my new baby boy. Let's go. Wala pa tayo ligo, boys. Maliligo na muna ako, guys. See you guys for the next vlog. Peace out, man. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Babush.